is a traditional Kenyan game that means meat. So the game is all about when they say different types of meat, you're supposed to jump. But if they say something that is some meat that are not edible, if you jump, you are out of the game.
Such as tomatoes, carrots, and pineapple. This game needs concentration because the person who says nyama 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 will can confuse you in the game.